Why is it important for you?
Hi friends, going to cook primitive eggs, and today my name is Chef Karthik, and over here we have
George Prabash.
assistant chef and George Prabash. First step to create is to going to put kindling booth.
Set up kindling booth.
Yeah,
Put pan on top of kindling booth so you can crack your egg and let rest safely.
yes. Going to balance it roughly in the middle.
We use a fire starter here.
Don't
Now you want to add
forget to add
seasoning.
seasoning. Friends, roughly 1 minute later, going to break egg in order to enforce and reensure scrambling effect, and then going to cook for roughly 5 minutes with additional taste. After roughly 5 minutes, going to start seeing white and going to stir some more.
Now once you're all done stirring, put it back onto fire to
Fire.
let cook more.
Cook more. After roughly 5 minutes, it tastes good, so take opportunity to crack one more egg and cook some more. Also, don't forget to crack shell.
Also, you want to add, throw away the extra residue.
Yes. Friends, today going to cook potatoes with vegan beef. Going to put in oil, roughly 1 tablespoon, and going to cook for roughly 10 minutes until it starts to bubbly.
You want your potatoes to be nice and crisp.
Going to be brown just like skin.